Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Capital One credit card account step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or unlock your phone to get started. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, such as Wi-Fi or mobile data. Type Capital One.com in the address bar and press enter or go. Check that the website address is correct to avoid fake or phishing sites. On the Capital One homepage, find the Sign In button near the top of the page. Click or tap Sign In to open the login form. In the username field, enter the username you created for your Capital One account. In the password field, enter your password carefully with the correct capitalization. If you are on a private device, you can choose to remember your username if that option appears. If you are on a shared or public device, do not save your username or password. Click or tap Sign In to submit your login information. If you see a security check, follow the instructions on screen to continue. If Capital One asks for a verification code, choose your preferred method like text or email. Open your text messages or email and locate the code sent by Capital One. Return to the Capital One sign-in page and enter the verification code exactly as shown. Click or tap Continue to complete the verification step. After you sign in, look for your credit card account on the main dashboard. Select your credit card to view your balance, available credit, and recent transactions. If you want to make a payment, find the Make a Payment option within your card account. If you want to download statements, look for Statements or Documents in the account menu. If you forgot your username or password, click Forgot Username or Password on the sign-in page. Follow the prompts to verify your identity using your personal details. Create a new password if prompted, and store it in a secure place. For faster access on a phone, install the official Capital One mobile app from your app store. Open the app and tap Sign In, then enter the same username and password you use on the website. Enable Face ID, fingerprint, or a device passcode login if the app offers it for easier sign-ins. Always sign out when you finish, especially when using a public or shared device. If you notice any unusual activity, contact Capital One support immediately using the official contact options on the site or app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.